Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write UDIO prompts. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first, what we are going to do, we will go here on the left side menu and then to the create tab right here. And what we are going to put in is basically prompt which combines 4 distinct layers. So we will limit it us to 15 20 words to avoid confusing the AI model. So let's do something like that. So high energy 80s hair metal, aggressive electric guitar solos, soaring powerful mode vocals, and so on. Now what we can do for lyrics, as you can see here at the bottom, we can write our own lyrics. So we can auto-generate or custom, which is basically we will put our text into it, and or we have instrumental. But let's say custom, and I will paste in this like example. All right. Right now we have it, everything. So we have also here voice control if we want to do that, but we need to upgrade it. Then we have in which folder also, and advanced control we have over here. So we have version of model, then we have custom length, legacy, BPM. We can also set that, song length, and so on, bunch of options, but we will leave it like it is right now. All right, so let's make it and create. Now we will need to wait a few moments that this AI process everything we put it in, and yeah, we will see what's happened afterward. And now, as you can see here on the right side, you will see it right over here that we have these songs which AI created with our inputs. Now I can't play it, but yeah, when you get it, just hover over of this on this picture of one of these songs, and then just click play, and you will see down here at the bottom it will start playing, and you can listen, and after that you can modify it if you want. You can change something here through these settings. You can edit, replace section, edit lyrics in Paint, trim, and so on. Yeah, so I hope this video helped you out how to write audio prompts. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.